Hey everyone, welcome to the PDNob channel.
Do you ever feel like Gemini often acts like a brilliant stranger? It knows everything on the web, yet it fails to remember you. Every time you start a new chat, you're forced to repeat your background and preferences. Today, we're changing that. By linking Gemini and NotebookLM, you can plug AI into your own knowledge base and build a true digital partner. Here's how to set it up. Start by clicking the menu in the top left. You'll see the notebooks you've created in NotebookLM. Think of these as the intellectual boundaries for your AI. Pick a notebook. Hit Notebook Settings in the top right. And toggle on Use Notebook Memory. This gives Gemini a long-term memory chip, letting it reference past chats for perfect context. Next, give your AI a soul. Use the custom instructions to set its tone and persona so the answers feel more intuitive. For example, act as a professional local guide with deep destination expertise to design a logical and seamless itinerary. Once you do this, every response will fit your style perfectly. Now, just chat with Gemini. It will answer based specifically on what's inside your notebook. But here's the best part. Your ideas won't just vanish. When a great thought pops up in a chat, it stays with you. Open NotebookLM and you'll see that conversation has been automatically added as a new source. It's no longer just a transcript. It's durable material you can use forever. Your notebook is a living thing too. If you want to pull something out, just uncheck it. You can also create new notebooks directly in Gemini, saving AI solutions as notes with one click. Everything updates instantly in NotebookLM. From here on out, you're not just using a search bar. You're working with a digital brain that actually knows you. Try this workflow today and start building your own digital brain. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.